252. Every year, $14 billion are spent in America by food and beverage companies simply advertising to you. Yes, this means if you're born into America, you are born into a system with $14 billion worth of traps to get you to buy their food, their product. How do they succeed in getting us to buy the poisonous food, to buy the drinks? It's very simple. Whatever you see, you will indulge in. Whatever you hear, you will become. So if this works for the bad things around us, how can we use this for our good? Whatever good things you listen to, they will impact you. The good things you watch, you will become. So ask yourself, where are you trying to go in life? If you're trying to become a better songwriter, hang out with people who write music. If you are trying to lose weight, don't do it alone. Join a group of people with the same goal. You want to eat healthy? Join a community of people already eating healthy. There's a reason why Jesus sent his disciples out in pairs. Together, we are stronger. When your fire burns out, your friend can help ignite it again. When you fall down, when you have those weak moments, they'll pick you up and help you get back on the right track. So if you want to understand more about Jesus Christ, if you want to know why people say he's good or they go to church every Sunday, join a community, join a church, visit, see what it's all about. See how they live life outside of Sunday. You want to be around people doing what you want to do. You want to see things pointing you where you want to go. Take a good look around your community and have the best week of your life.